Sitting on top of a waterfall. And I've got views around me. Sun's gonna set. What more could you want on a Saturday afternoon? Alright, so I left the camera in the bush for that angle, but literally just at the bottom of this hill is the waterfall. Look at this view. It's crazy. I mean, if I fell, it's it fall. This is why I like my unicycle. It's so easy to carry. Ow. I'm essentially rock climbing on one hand while holding a camera. Blah, 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 blah. Turning the key to the ignition. What the hell was that sound? I've never even heard that sound before. This direction is Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at those falls. Whoa, did you see that? Teleportation. Nah, just kidding. I had to climb all the way across all these rocks. Look at this. It's like I got my own little dome cave here to myself. And you can climb all the way up here. But currently, my GoPro is on 0 bar. Yeah, okay. So we'll see how far we make it up here. But if we don't make it to the top, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave that big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more of this amazing stuff here in Western Australia. I want to do outdoor videos on my unicycle, walking around. Got the Sparkie, the drone. Hope you enjoy, and let's keep making videos, eh? Alright, the GoPro's on 4%. See how far we make it up this hill. Otherwise, you're just gonna have to come and do it yourself. I'm essentially rock climbing on one hand while holding a camera. I mean, Mum, I know this is not the greatest idea, but you have to admit, it is pretty cool. I don't know if I was gonna throw a thumbs up or, yeah. Okay, no, seriously, I had to wait for this guy that's just over there to go past, and he thought I was capturing creatures. What creatures? There's a path here. There's a tree. Is a tree a creature? Let's keep going.